Find 4 equivalent fractions to 3 over 12. Okay, so the way we find equivalent fractions is if we multiply by 1. Okay, so there's a over a. So as long as it's some fraction over another fraction, we are good to go. So let's do that. So 3 over 12, multiply it by some fraction over. Let's just say I do 2 over 2. Again, this is equal to 1. Okay. 3 times 2 is 6. 12 times 2 is 24. Boom, we have an equivalent fraction. Let's do another. Let's say I do 4 over 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. Another equivalent fraction. So let's do 3 over 12 times... let's do something a little hard. 6 over 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 12 times 6 is 72. Another equivalent fraction. And then let's just do 3 over 12 times 5 over 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 12 times 5 is 60. Okay, so these are all the equivalent fractions. Okay, all these are equivalent to 3 over 12, meaning that... Oh, I also want to say that, let me show you another equivalent fraction to this. 3 over 12, just like I multiply both the top and bottom by the same number, let's say I divide the top and the bottom by the same number. Let's say I divide the top and bottom by the same number. So let's say I divide by 3. What do I get? 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. This is also an equivalent fraction. Okay? So as long as you do the same thing on the top and the bottom, if it works out, you can get an equivalent fraction.